Hi guys, in today's video I'll go over what I found to be the best way to organize a chest freezer. I have pretty much looked at other videos and sites and cannot really find something that worked for me, so that's why we came up with the solution. What I have here is a Midea 7 cubic foot chest freezer that came with 2 baskets, but for me it worked out best to remove one of the baskets and instead use these bins I found. Pretty sure these bins will work with other sizes and brands, but of course make sure you get your measurements. I am using 6 bins found at Ikea, and we'll post a link below to those items. So I ended up purchasing 2 6-gallon bins and 4 3-gallon bins, and you will see the 6-gallon bins here in a second. As you can see, 3-gallon bins are on top. The reason I chose these Ikea bins instead of everything else found at stores or videos was due to the ease of getting to all items thanks to the handles and wide openings these bins provide. They also stack perfectly and come with color-coded stickers that I found useful to inventory all my items. The advantages of these bins, one was the ease of cleanup slash defrosting of the freezer. So if cleanup is needed, you can easily remove the bins and the mess is just pretty much contained in the bins themselves instead of the whole chest. Also, when you need to defrost the freezer, you just remove the bins and replace them back when you're done. 2 would be great to separate items by bins to make it easy to find what you need. 3 would be ease of getting items at the bottom of the freezer without actually straining your back. These are pretty deep freezers, so it's kind of hard to get to the items that are all the way at the bottom of it. 4 would be it allows you to maximize space due to design of these bins. All right, so as you can see, it still actually gives me space on top of these bins, so I can put a few items on top and still be able to close it. So again, that gives you a lot of space. All right, what I had here was all the fish pretty much in my basket. That's what I ended up doing. And then I went to the bins. So a red bin, that's where I have all the ground beef. Blue, chicken thighs. You can see how easy that would be to remove it to get to any of the items at the bottom. This one I have some duck, some more chicken. This bin I have all the cooked meats, so pretty much a cooked turkey, some ham, sausage, and then we go to the bottom row. So as you can see, we have the bread on the lip. And then these bins down here, once you remove the top row, you can actually get to some of the smaller items by just opening it halfway. Let's see. And if you needed to, you can actually open up the whole top. So this one here has all the steaks, the beef, pretty much the lamb. This one has, of course, a lot more chicken. So as you can see how easy it would be to defrost it or clean it whenever you needed to. The way I keep track of all my items, on top here I have this magnetic whiteboard that I purchased on Amazon. So it helps me track all my items by the bins and the sticker color. So it pretty much breaks it down by the type of item in the bin, the date purchased, and the quantity. This way we can track what we have and how long it has been there to minimize food going to waste. So hope you guys find this video useful. I will include links to all the items I purchased, to include the bins and this magnetic whiteboard. Hope you guys use some of these ideas for your freezer.